Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your name on Aramex app. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Aramex app on your phone. And after opening the Aramex app, what you're going to do is tap to the My Account icon that you can see on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner of your phone. So after tapping on my account here, tap on your current name that you can see in the top right now. After tapping on it here, you will be able to see the option of your first name and last name. Simply just tap on your first name in order to change it and your last name in order to change it, just like this. You can see my keyboard has been opened. Now I can just simply add down my new name. Same for the last name. And when you're done with it, simply just tap on the done button on your keyboard and then tap on save. And just like this, you can see your name has successfully been changed. And that is it. That is how you can change your name on Aramex app. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.